My name is Chris Guerrero, and I'm the Global Brand Manager for Shell Heavy Duty Diesel Engine Oils, including the Shell Rotella brand. And one of the most exciting things about the introduction of our new portfolio includes an upgrade to triple protection technology. You see, if you've bought our Shell Rotella Triple Protection 15W40 in the past, you may be familiar with the fact that it represented protection from wear, deposits, and emission systems. And that was really a function of CJ4 introduction, where you had low SAPS technology required to protect the diesel particulate filters that are in a lot of the on-highway equipment today, and that you find now penetrating the off-highway equipment. Well, moving forward with the CK4 category, we have an upgrade in technology, the next evolution in hardworking protection, and that means the introduction of an evolved triple protection message. Now, low SAPS is a standard in this market moving forward, so the diesel particulate filters remain protected. It's still a low SAPS formulation. So we focus in on three attributes, one of which is new. You can still have the same reliable wear protection that you've come to expect from Shell Rotella. Wear protection that's been proven over 40 million miles of testing, countless hours out in fields and on sites. That's equipment that's both old and new. You can also count on Rotella Triple Protection to deliver protection against deposits, helping to keep components cleaner throughout the life cycle of the equipment. And the last thing, and the newest attribute that we talk about, is resistance against oil breakdown. And put it simply, that means better oxidation performance. It can take the heat that you throw at it, which means that oil has the capability to have oil life in reserve, meaning it can go further, last longer, and perform stronger. And who doesn't want that in their engine oil? It's an exciting time for us here at Shell Rotella, because at the end of the day, the challenge that we set forth wasn't just meeting a new API specification category, the API CK4 or FA4 designation. In the off-highway space, CK4 is, well, the next iteration of CJ4, so to speak. It'll work in all of your equipment, and it'll protect your equipment just fine. But when we talk about Shell Rotella and triple protection, what we can say is not only does it protect your equipment just as well, it does it even better. It is our most robust and technically advanced Rotella that we've ever created. And it's the type of engine oil that we think belongs in our customers' equipment moving forward.